Hello everyone, this is Chris the Pool Man. In this video, I'm just gonna narrate a quick filter pump and filter installation. We are using Pentair product. The filter pump is a Pentair SuperFlo, and the filter is a Pentair Clean and Clear Cartridge filter. We tend to use cartridges a bit more over DE filters, as they're a lot easier to service. And in terms of retrofitting, a lot of pools don't have the ability to get rid of DE material in the backwash procedure. Anywho, you'll see that on the front, when I eliminated the old pump and now installing the new pump, I eliminated an old union as well, because the new pumps come with unions, front side and top side unions. And for this job, we are not replumbing any of the manifolds, or a lot of the old plumbing we're just going to keep there. I had to come back to this job to replumb in the heater. They're getting renewed plaster and everything, so at this point we just wanted to get the filter and the pump in so we can get the water moving in the pool. And then we came back when it was good and plumbed in the heater. We also didn't want the bad plaster water to go through the heater at this point. This was a fairly new heater that was just installed. Anywho, on the top side of the pump, as I plumb it towards the filter, you'll see I add a valve in, and that is so that we can take water out of the pool for any case if it happens, get a lot of rain, if you want to you drain water out of the pool, too many chemicals should happen to get in there, God forbid, or something like that. You can drain water out just by isolating the skimmers and pulling from the main drain and just running out of that. They did have a line for us to use. With that, you'll notice that I did use 145. I tend to really like to use 45s or 22s over 90s if I can, just because, in terms of flow, water can go through it a lot better, not by much. Actually, it is by much, but, I digress. It's not very important on a very simple system like this when you don't need every inch of gallons. There's not a lot of amenities or anything. It's a simple pool. And on the return side, I just did 290s just to connect it up. Real simple, real easy, nothing fancy. With that said, please let me know if you guys have any questions. There'll be a lot of other videos coming up of all sorts of things, from openings to closings to electrical to troubleshooting or whatever. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for new videos. Everyone, you have a great one.